unless there is an active acceptance that there should be shared values, shared needs, and shared responsibilities that we need as caretakers of this earth, I think there's going to be a very big problem. So, I always go back to where I come from, so I would say that since man was created to be the caretakers of the earth, as what we call Khilafatul Ard, he must first understand that unless these shared needs, beliefs, creeds, responsibilities will be undertaken with others, then there is no going out of this world. So with that, I work
Thank you very much. I think we're running out of time. We went over our time by about 5 minutes, but I'd like to ask one parting shot from all of you. I think it's an accepted fact that we have to heal our nation, we have to heal our world. This is the world that we all live in, that we have to cohabitate with each other. We have no choice. We have to make it work. What would be the one thing that each of you would add to a 5-point covenant? We need a 5-point covenant. What would you do to make sure that we can unite to heal the world? Professor Yusuf, what would your contribution to the covenant be?
Make an active, a conscious effort to fix all the things, fix at least what are fix the errors that one has done in one's life, or in the society in general. We need an active effort to heal, to fix.
Okay. Reverend Tobino?
As I said a while ago, before I do this, before you are Hindu, we are human beings. We share the same humanity. I have different beliefs from yours, and it needs respect.